Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. All right, let's get back on these W2 Hamons. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I take it from a 120 all the way up to the finish. How I stonewash everything, how I pull out my Hamons. Now, if you like hand sanding, this might not be the video for you. You can get a lot of ideas, like go up to a really high finish and then hand sand, but all that's up to you. I don't like hand sanding, so I do everything off the belts. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Both the gum and the refractory cement are down in my Amazon links and on my website, which I'll put up in the cards here. All right, let's get to it. So on one of my Instagram posts, I showed how I pulled this W2 out of the water and it rusted instantly. A guy contacted me and said, put a little baking soda in it. I already put dish soap in here because Niels Vandenberg did a video years ago. He said, put a couple drops of dish soap in your water, and when you pull it out, the grindings and stuff won't stick to it, which works great. So let's try. We got dish soap and we got baking soda. Hopefully the whole thing doesn't blow up. So let's smooth this all out. I'm not even putting Dicam on here. Almost grabbed the wrong knife. I'm not putting Dicam on here because after 200, you should already have everything set in. So we're just refining everything. We're not grinding. We're just, smoothing everything out, bringing it up to higher grits. Really shouldn't be too much to it. You're just refining it. I'm going to do the other side and I'll put the 10-inch wheel and I'll do that side. Yeah. I'll be back. I must have got tired or something. I had to go back down to 120 on the 10-inch wheel. Woo, man, she is thin. I even had to bring her down just like a 1/16 of an inch to, yeah, it was just, man, there were spots in here, like right here, that were just almost nothing. Let's refine it, 865. So you can see the spot right here again. I think it's from the way I have to hold it. All right, I'm gonna do 830, and then I'll come back either at 1,000 or 2,000. I got blue belts hanging over from all this 14-inch wheel. Wait till you see that. I think I'm calling it on this one, or man, I don't know what I did the other night, but right here is really thin. You can tell. Let me get the other one. Look how much I've taken off of this. They were both about the same. Look at that mirror. But, yeah. And I'm grinding it straight, but for some reason, right here is thin. So, if I don't stop now, I'm going to throw it against the wall and break it in two. I'll be back tomorrow. It's the next day. I've cried a bit, got angry, and all the emotions. Anyway, this knife I'm pretty much writing off as ruined, but since it's the W2 with the hamons and all that, I'm going to go ahead and put the mirror on it so I can see what gives a better hamon, which I really don't think there'll be a difference, but might as well give it a fair shot. That middle is just gone. I'm pretty sure it's because, like I said either in the last video or earlier, I always miss this spot, so I was overcompensating and I fried the middle. So I'll just have to relearn hollow grinding. A30. $2,000, and then I'll show you my little secret. And there we go. Now I'll show you my secret. I gotta do this side for Instagram, so I'll be back. Alright, a little flints. Now sometimes you have to clean the buffer off because it gets too gummed up with this stuff. A little Black Dragon Forge, Neil Vandenberg trick. Alright, now we'll have some wax and stuff from that. I just use PB Blaster. Wipe it off. And there is our mirror. Now we just gotta clean it off with alcohol and stuff and wipe it down. So we got this all cleaned off with alcohol and all that, nice and clean. Into the etch, boom, dip it a few times. Got some steel wool here, quadruple zero. I've said this before, it's half ferric and half water, and then I top it off with vinegar. Ooh yeah, nice hamon. We just want to even out the etch and all that. Put it back in. Then I'll go, I got a tub where I put baking soda in each time. I'll go clean that off and I'll meet you over at the stone washer. I'm back from the baking soda. And since we put vinegar in that strong 50 to 50, this will start rusting. So I use PB Blaster just to seal it in for a while and soak it. Let it soak for like 5 or 10 minutes. And then, yeah, we'll go put it in the stone washer. So usually I spray them down with WD-40. I put like window cleaner in there, but I haven't cleaned these rocks in a while, so there's probably plenty. They're getting all gummed up from the WD-40, so I'm just going to do it like that. Here we go. So we just got it out. It's all gummed up. See, that's why I didn't put any WD-40 on it, because those stones are just like caked. But you can see it. Then I'll just take some more PB Blaster. I know I use PB Blaster for everything, but WD-40 work, whatever, you know. Now we smooth it out. Get all this crap off. See all those oxides coming off? Look at all that gook. Yeah. So let's just clean these up. Then I'll show you the last step I do, which I'm sure people call cheating, but we'll see. Here's the last secret. We just put the flints where we want removed to shine it up, and we're good to go. Now people say this is cheating, which is fine, but if that hamon was in there, we wouldn't be able to bring out the hamon, if that makes sense. You know, it's only, the hamon's going to be there no matter how high of a finish you want to bring it, whatever you want to do to it. The hamon's going to be there. You know, if you want to bring it to a mirror and then put lemon juice on it to bring it out, all that stuff. This is just the way I choose it because I like the stone wash on the back, the hamon, and then the mirror on the front. All right, let's do it. Alright, boom. There we go. Now I just gotta figure out which one's the gun gum and which one's the refractory. I mean, really, they both look basically the same, so it's hard to tell. Boom! Well, that's about it. There we go. To be honest, I can't really tell the difference between the gun gum and the refractory cement. Both have their good sides and their bad sides. So, it's up to you. They both do well. Like I said, I'll put them down in the Amazon links and on my website. But, yeah, it's all about how you do it. Now, a lot of people say it's cheating because I only buff out here. But if that hamon line wasn't there, it wouldn't look like this for sure. So, you know, cheating or not cheating, that's the way I do it. You figure it out how you like to do it and all that good stuff. So let me know down in the comments, do you like hand sanding or do you like doing it off the belts? But I'll tell you right now, if you haven't done it off the belts, it takes a lot more work. I just prefer the belts over hand sanding. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. I got shirts on my website. I got Amazon links there, and I got like 7 knives. Alright, hope all is well, and as always, take it easy.